Okay, so here's how we edit a picture. We've just made a gallery, a photo gallery, in a post, and you can see that everything looks pretty good, except this guy is a little bigger than the others. So let's go to the back end and look at this post, and we can see the offending picture right here. So this actually is to edit the entire gallery, so it will display the pictures in the gallery. But then we're going to select the bad guy, and we're going to go here and say, let's edit that image. So if we go back here, I'm going to just inspect this using Chrome Inspect. And I'm going to run my, notice that this picture is saying that the natural size is, well, we're going to go over to this one. Sorry, let's go to a normal one that we like, and we'll see that it's 300 by 200 is the natural ratio that we're looking for, as opposed to the actual size. So when we get here and we start prepare to edit, we're going to say it's 300 to 200 with the height. So we're going to put in 300 to 200 so that when we then click and drag, that rectangle will be in that ratio. See, so if I make it bigger and smaller and we drag it around, the picture will be there in that ratio. So I'm going to tighten it up a little bit, and then let's do that. We're about to crop it. So I'm not sure I like that sign there. So how about that? And then here's the crop button. So we simply say we're going to crop it. And by the way, the original the image dimensions are here and here, so that the original was this size and now the selection is this size, which will be in that 3:2 ratio. It's really 3:2, also known as 6:4 or 4:6, which is a picture size. So let's go ahead and do the crop, and it takes a minute, and then we're going to save it. Okay, that takes also a little while. Kind of slow connection today. And we will therefore update our gallery. You can already see that it fits better. So when we publish it, we will see that it now looks like this. And there we go. Every picture is in the same ratio. It wasn't the size, it was really the ratio.